This autumn there will be 2 big flat earth events. Will they make us globers change our view about the world we live in? The Spaniard Vico Drasiv is releasing a sequel to his so-called documentary, Flatten the Curve. The new one is called Mechanical Realm. And in October, Karen B once again is organizing Flacktoberfest, this time in Las Vegas. This is the trailer to the Mechanical Realm. The fact that the upcoming video is made by the same creators as those who made Flatten the Curve guarantees that this will be a big dumpster fire. Real truth seekers, I think they mean real big fools. No, it's fools in plain sight. Alexandra is an artist from Tasmania. She works with dance, music, visual arts and so on. But what does she know about the shape of the earth? Evelyn Gould seems to be a typical flat earth follower. She presents herself as biblical Effie cosmology. She have 4 followers and she haven't produced any own material. She only republish other people's flat earth stupidity. I'm not sure about Keith. I did find one who made books about how to be a millionaire. Don't know if it's the same person. And here we have Flat Earth Banu. As usual, he's on every stupid Flat Earth so-called documentary that you can find. This person I did find on Instagram. He seems to follow Hare Krishna and several other religions, but I haven't found any about the flat earth and so on. I haven't found anything about gene edited, but the name says it all. And Vika is the flat earth fool behind it all. After the last the so-called documentary, I tried to discuss with him, but he have no interest in explaining his silly claims in his silly videos. All presented in this trailer is names of people who don't have any scientific background, and all they're showing is stock video footage. So I don't know the real topics of this video, but I'm quite sure that it will be a big dumpster fire. When they release it, I will follow up this video. Let's move on. And now let's have a look at the trailer for Flattoberfest. Jason Lindgren. I have looked at his channel Secrets of Saturn, and it's a dumpster fire. Here is a short part from one of his videos.
Here is the story of the elites, if you wish to call them that. This story is a metaphor, and understand that this is a generalization, especially in regard to the higher degree initiates. They don't believe that there ever was a god, or that there ever is a god, aside from man himself, and man has not reached that state yet, but can.
I don't think I need to show more of this nonsense. I think everybody of you understand what kind of person this is. Ben Balderson, let's have a look at a short bit of one of his videos.
This is Benjamin Balderson, and today we're going to talk about Yggdrasil. So before we continued on with the rune series and with basically anything else I talk about, we need to talk about Yggdrasil. So this is the filter, this is part of the filter that I put almost everything through. And this is the gift that I was given from Odin.
So Odin did give him a gift.
So this right here is your typical tree of life as people see it, represented as Yggdrasil. And here you've got your 9 worlds, and this is one tree. And the thing that and this is a correct tree, but the thing that Odin reminded me and showed me is that he's 3 minds, that he's 3 trees.
Do this fool think that Odin is talking to him? Do he think he is some kind of Viking? Oh dear. This nutcase we have seen before. Let's look at a part from an old video from Dave.
First up was Dave, who had deregistered his car. I had actually seen Dave's car parked in the street outside, and so I can confirm that it did indeed have its own non-UK plates.
Sort of stuff or what?
Yeah, essentially we've been tricked, been heavily tricked. We've been tricked into believing that we're drivers of motor vehicles. If you look up in the Road Traffic Act, you won't find the word driver defined anywhere. The only way you can find driver is if you look in a legal dictionary, and there it's defined as one who's employed to I can't remember the actual definition offhand, but yes, one who's employed to transport goods or material or passengers on the public roads. So it's a commercial term. Even the word traffic is a commercial term. Drug trafficking. Yeah, it's all commercial terms. Vehicle. Okay. In the Road Traffic Act, you'll find motor vehicle defined, but you won't find the word vehicle. Motor vehicle is defined as any type of vehicle adapted for use on the road. Yeah, but the word vehicle isn't defined. Go to your legal dictionary, you'll find a vehicle is another commercial term. So driving is a commercial activity. So if you're a taxi driver, you're a driver. If you're a bus driver, you're a driver. If you're getting in your car and going to the shops or going to work, you're not a driver.
Dave is obviously inspired by nutcases from the US. Mark Devlin, a UK-based club and radio DA, music journalist and author. Let's hear some wisdom from this fool.
And that it's impossible for anyone to get to the kind of position that Sinead O'Connor
Amy Winehouse, any of these others got to without being controlled and without answering to unseen forces controlling the music industry.
And there you have it. Sinead O'Connor was controlled by dark forces. Of course, Jared Anwitsit is a part of this dumpster fire. And the Globebusters, oh dear. And Greg Reese, one of Alex Jones' boys at Infowars. Let's listen to some of his nonsense.
Philip Eugene de Rothschild says that the Rothschild family alone has produced over 100,000 children in these secret breeding programs. Most of the US presidents during this time were Freemasons. 4 of them were Oddfellows. And at last count, 34 US presidents are directly related to Charlemagne, king of the Franks.
Who is surprised? A conspiracy nutcase, fake newser, and so on. Of course, you have to be on Flattuber Festival. Mark Sargent and David Wise, of course, they are a part of this. So you have to hurry up. It's only cost $225 to be a part of this big dumpster fire. Thank you everyone helping me helping Ukraine. When you watch a video, when you become a member, if you donate on PayPal, all goes to buying drones for Ukraine. Thank you very much. I think both those trailers that we watched today prove one thing. Flat Earth is on repeat. It's the same people all the time, everywhere, on videos, on conferences, and they repeat the same rubbish. I hope you like this video. We'll see you soon. I'm back in a couple of days. Have a nice day.